Hey there, electricians. Today, I'm diving into something crucial for any electrical installation: feeder lines. By the end of this video, you'll know why they're essential, how to install them, and the main rules to follow. Let's get started. First off, what exactly are feeder lines? Simply put, they're the heavy-duty wires that carry power from your main service panel to sub-panels, or to large equipment. Think of them as the arteries of your electrical system, delivering the lifeblood of electricity where it's needed most. Now, why are feeder lines so important? Well, without them, you'd be unable to distribute power effectively throughout a building. They ensure that high-demand areas get the juice they need without overloading smaller branch circuits, so understanding how to install them correctly is a must for any pro. Let's talk installation. Step 1. Planning. Always start by mapping out your electrical layout. Identify where your main panel is and where your sub-panels or large equipment will be located. This will help you determine the length and gauge of the feeder lines you'll need. Next, you want to choose the right type of wire. Typically, you'll be using copper or aluminum conductors. Copper is more conductive but pricier, while aluminum is more cost-effective but requires a larger gauge. Make your choice based on the specific needs of your project. Once you've got your materials, it's time to run the wires. Make sure you're following the National Electrical Code, NEC, and any local codes. Use conduit to protect your feeder lines and ensure it's rated for the environment where it will be installed. For instance, use PVC conduit for underground installations and EMT for indoor runs. When pulling the wires through the conduit, take your time. Use proper tools like fish tapes and wire pulling lubricant to make the job easier. Once the wires are in place, secure them neatly and label them if necessary. Now let's talk about the main rules for installing feeder lines. Rule 1. Always size your feeders based on the calculated load. This means considering factors like voltage drop, ambient temperature, and the type of insulation used. Rule 2. Proper grounding and bonding. Ensure your feeder lines are correctly grounded to prevent electrical hazards. And Rule 3. Inspect your work. Double-check connections, ensure there are no kinks or damages in the wire, and make sure all terminations are tight. So there you have it. Feeder lines are a critical part of any electrical installation. By planning ahead, choosing the right materials, and following key rules, you can ensure a safe and efficient setup. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more pro tips. Stay safe out there and keep wiring like a pro.